Well, it's end of March on the allotments. I've got some sunshine for the first time in about maybe 2-3 months. I've had a real set of downpours here in the northwest, but on the allotment, it's last week in March, it's sunny, and we'll have a look. Right, we'll do a bit of a reverse tour. There's not a lot to show, even for March, but things are starting to grow again. We've had a few things which we've planted and potted on, but here we've got the overwintered garlic, which has done pretty well, but there are some gaps. I have been weeding this bed, and there is some garlic in this bit here, but I'm not convinced that that has done very well over winter. Now this variety has done better, but these two here, nothing to show for it. So might be able to get another couple of bulbs of garlic in if we're lucky. The elephant garlic, which we saved from last year, is doing really well, and that does need a bit of a weed, but very happy with that. Over here we've actually managed to get the old brassica bed cleared up, and we've put our first earlies in. So do another video just showing you those planting up. We've got another one on the channel where we put them in containers, but we'll do a very quick one for this year for putting them in the ground, but very happy. So we've got that old brassica section cleared up and the first earlies in, and some second earlies on the end of that row to go in as well. So very happy to have got that cleared up. Over here we've had some broad beans which we've put in. I've done 2 rows here. The germination was a bit patchy, so broad beans are looking healthy, and we'll get a few more done down here and in between as well. We'll sow some seeds, they'll catch up pretty quick. But yeah, just things are starting now, get things properly cleared up. Plot was pretty much put to bed for the winter, some chard. I'm going to actually give that a weed over, and we'll keep that chard, see if we can get it going a few crops before it bolts. Very happy with that. Down here we've got some reserved elephant garlic. Now this was, I thought we'd lost it all, but this stuff is absolutely, it's like a leek. Massive. So we'll get this weeded. I'm not quite sure what we'll get in these 2 beds here, but obviously we've got the potatoes at the other end. Things are now getting a bit of a rush on to try and get things planted in and cleared up. We've got these horrible edges knocked back as well. But it's not looking too bad. Weather's nice today. Some nice clear patches to plant in. Things are starting to look a bit better in the sunshine. Well, thanks for watching today on Beans, Brews and Bread, the March plot tour. Bit of a quick one. It's been so cold, so wet, so damp and dreary. There's been nothing to grow, but this is now where the season really gets going. So thanks for watching. If you like what you've seen, be grateful if you give it a thumbs up. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just give them a bit of a type down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, then press on the subscribe button, the bell icon, and you'll be notified the next time we've got a video out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Cheers, bye!